See, that's already too tight.
It's a beautiful day, and we are off to the Honda dealer to get a new gasket for the brake fluid reservoir there. Taking it easy today. Of course, that gasket is just the first of many things that I will have to do on this bike, because I have no maintenance history whatsoever, just hearsay. I have been told that the timing belt has been changed at 80,000 kilometers. I think you're supposed to change them every 10 years or 100,000, so it should have been changed twice already. Got it, but I'm probably going to do that tomorrow. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's gonna leak. Very odd. So there's a little plastic cover. Let focus, thank you. There's a little plastic cover that goes over the top first, so I'm going to get my new gasket. Install that on the plastic cover first. Yeah, I have trouble doing this. And I'm going to clean that up a bit. And I find some very old brake fluid to add a little. See what that looks like inside. Yeah, it's very clear, but yeah. Okay, filled it up a bit. Yeah, I know that's not good. That's all I had, and any fluid is better than no fluid. Clean the edges a bit. I don't see how you can do that wrong. I'm going to scrape these edges a bit, because there's some oxidation going on. So the old gasket doesn't look that bad, so I'm probably going to keep that as a spare. Scraped around the edges with a flat blade screwdriver, so that's cleaned up. Get the screws.
See, that's already too tight.
This one is totally destroyed. Wow, okay.
Yeah, I can work with that later. Okay, let's hope I have no more leak.
Okay. Focus. Looks to me like no more leak. Now all I gotta do is fix this.
Look, no more leak. Excellent.